Good morning. This is Aaron with a video tour of the laundry rooms at 5710 and 5712 Phillips Avenue. This is 5710 Phillips Avenue, and then right around the corner is 5712 Phillips Avenue. This is Phillips Avenue. As you can see, it's a quiet street. Not a lot of activity. Parking is usually very readily available. I parked right over there, and then there's a spot right here, and there's several spots. Just so you're aware, we do hire a company, landscaping company, to mow the lawn and trim the hedges in the summer, and then in the winter to shovel the snow and salt. And so I'll continue with the tour of the laundry rooms at these two buildings. And so this is 5710 Phillips. I left the door slightly ajar, but it's usually locked. This is a no smoking building. As you can see, here are the mailboxes. And continuing down to the basement is where the laundry machines are located. And we have 2 washers and 2 dryers. They are relatively new machines, Maytags in both buildings, all the machines. And then you could pay with coins, or you could pay with an app that you could download on your phone, and then add money to the app and then pay. Here are the cubbies. Every apartment gets a cubby. And as an example, here is cubby, one example of a cubby. And I'll just put this here. But as you can see, there's a cubby for every apartment. And again, there's 2 washers and 2 dryers. All right, I will continue to 5712 Phillips Avenue. These are non-smoking buildings and non-smoking properties. And we are going to get the carpet here replaced, and I'll show you in the next building what it's going to look like. And so we'll just walk over to 5712 Phillips Avenue, which also has laundry machines in the basement, 2 washers and 2 dryers. So this is 5712 Phillips Avenue. We do have garbage pickup, which comes twice a week in the dumpster, and then this is recycle. It comes every other week, I think. And here is 5712 Phillips Avenue. Similarly, I left it slightly ajar, but it's usually locked. And we do hire a company also to clean the hallways in general areas. And so this is the carpet that we will be installing. The lights in both buildings are LED, kept on 24/7. And this is also a non-smoking building. And then continuing to the basement. Here are the 2 dryers that we have, both again Maytag commercial, and you could either pay with coins or with the app. And then here are the washing machines as well. So this is the laundry room of 5712 Phillips Avenue. And here's the basement, and as an example, here's what a cubby looks like over here. Again, they vary in size, but they're all relatively large and good for storing luggage or things that you don't use on a regular basis, boxes. And then as you can see, the electric has been updated for this building. So please visit us at www.squirrelhillflats.com or www.flatquest.com, and we have all our apartments on there, videos as well as photos. Or you can reach out to us at info@squirrelhillflats.com or Aaron@squirrelhillflats.com. My name is Aaron, and we'd be happy to help you. Or you can call us at 412-422-RENT, and we would be happy to help you in any way possible. Again, our website has videos of all the apartments, or most of the apartments, as well as photos and all the rent and floor plans and information on each of the apartments is online. Alrighty, well, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.